Hey guys, my name is Alex and I'm with Beachside Custom Vans, and today I'm very excited to give you a tour of one of our most recently completed custom builds. This van is for sale. For more information on how this could be yours, check out the links below. This van is a brand new 2024 all-wheel drive Sprinter van on a 170 wheelbase. It comes with tons of great factory packages like the driver convenience package, comfort package, 360 camera package, swivel seat package, and a 7-inch touchscreen. This van was built for community, whether that being on the beach with your family or going to the mountains with your friends. It comfortably seats and sleeps 4 people. As we go inside, the first thing you'll notice is behind the driver's seat, we have a 2-person bench seat. This bench seat has attachment points for a car seat, but also can be stowed away when you're not using it. Above the bench seat, we have some overhead cabinets for storage. This first cabinet has your Victron Touch 50 controller where you can monitor your whole electrical system as well as your S-bar heater, but more on the electrical system later. Then behind this bench, we have this custom CNC bookshelf that's mounted to the side of your fridge cabinet. This fridge is a Dometic CRX 110. It's 12 volt and also has a freezer on the top. Below the fridge, we have this faux grill that you could use for hidden storage that no one really knows about. It's attached by magnets, and so snap it right back in place, keep all your valuables in there. Just next to the fridge, we have another closet storage space. Over here, we have double doors with a hanging storage, 2 drawers on soft close hinges, as well as this big slide out drawer for your Laveo dry flush toilet. This toilet is amazing, really great way to get rid of your waste. All you do is do your thing, you click this button and it vacuum seals your waste, drops it to a trash bag, and then throw away the trash bag when you're done with the cartridge. On the passenger side, we have our kitchen galley with more shelf storage on the side, as well as our controls for our exterior lighting, electric awning, and another outlet so it's easy to use outside. We also built in this big spice rack so you have plenty of storage in here. Big deep sink with our faucet, as well as more storage below with these double doors. And above our kitchen galley, we have another control panel with dimmers for all of our lights, switches for our water pump or release valves, as well as our controller for our bed. We also have a switch for our water heater and another 120 volt outlet. And guess again, more storage. Now in the back, we have this massive, comfortable bench seat that also converts to a bed with an elevator bed above, so you can comfortably seat and sleep 4 people. Let me show you how it's done. For comfort control, we have this max air fan above the bed. It has 10 speeds as well as an intake and outtake. We also have this Malbrew 12 volt AC unit, and mounted below your passenger seat, we have an S-bar diesel heater that's tapped into your factory tank. Lastly, for the interior, let's check out the electrical system and water system. Let's check out the electrical system, which is on the driver's side. This is a full Victron electrical system with 3 200 amp hour lithium batteries, a 3000 watt inverter charger, a Nations dual alternator with a wake speed controller. There's 2 ways to charge this van, one being the dual alternator, which is the most efficient, quickest ways to charge, as well as shore power, but we could always add solar if you wanted to. Now on the passenger side, we have our water cabinet. Our water system has a 12 volt water pump accumulator that services the 35-gallon freshwater tank that's mounted in the spare tire carrier, as well as this 4-gallon Bosch hot water heater and a rear door shower. There's also tons of storage in the front part of the cabinet. Now for the exterior. This van has some really cool products. Starting off, we have our Backwoods Adventure Mods roof rack and side ladder. Mounted to the roof rack, we have a 50-inch Pathfinder LED light bar and a Fiamma electric awning. We also installed 6 windows in this van, 4 of which are operable and the 2 ones in the back are fixed. They're all AM auto windows. We also installed these 2 scene lights from Rigid that are both on dimmers. It's really good for when it's dark outside and you're kind of hanging out outside. We also have this electric amp research side steps, one of my favorite mods on this van. It opens and closes as you close the door. It also has lights that shine down, so when it's dark outside, you can see where you're stepping. We also installed this black sliding door track, just because I think it looks a little bit better than the factory silver one. For this build, we did a very basic suspension with a Van Compass leaf spring additive pack. Behind the wheels, we have this flatline Vanco storage panel that's easy to stow away all your exterior stuff like hoses, extension cords, and adapters. Last, for the exterior, we have all of our rear door gear. The first thing we installed was flare space inverter racks so we can mount our spare tire, as well as this Owl large box and a shelf above it. We also have a Baja Design reverse light kit that has 2 switches, one in the rear, also one in the cab. This pretty much concludes our tour. Again, this van's for sale and looking for a forever home. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please consider subscribing and liking our channel. My name's Alex with Beachside Custom Vans. Until next time.